Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell covered calls on Etrade. So, what you need to do is log in into your account, start accessing your Etrade brokerage account via website or the mobile application. After this, make sure your account is approved for option trading. You may need to apply for option trading if you haven't done. And the E-Trade typically assigns a level of trading permission based on experience. After this, choose a stock from your portfolio that you own at least 100 shares of, since each option contracts cover 100 shares. After navigate to the trade section, look for option trading interface which may be listed under trade options. Once you do that, simply select the stock you want to sell the call on, choose the sell to open option, input the expiration date and strike price of the call option you want to sell. The strike price should be higher than the current stock price if goal is to generate premium income without selling your shares. After this, simply confirm all the details, including the premium you will receive and any associated fees. Once you are satisfied, simply submit the order. So that's how you can send covered calls in Etrade. So if you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.